Welcome to the Barter Black platform. This is a platform for Black entrepreneurs to exchange products and services with each other in order to start, grow, and scale their business. Here we are going to go through the front page of the Barter Black platform. To date, we've exchanged over 24,000 in Barter Bucks and we have over 100 successful trades. How it works, just simply put, you create your listing, you earn Barter Bucks, and you use them to hire the people that you need. On our front page, we also have popular services on Barter Black, featured experts, and reviews. And if you made it here and you are not a member on our mailing list, you can sign up here to join our mailing list. On the menu, you have the marketplace. The marketplace is something that is public that you can see before you actually join the Barter Black platform. On the marketplace, you will see a list of products and services that you can buy for Barter Bucks. On the resources tab, we also have About Us, the influencer program, the blog, the savings planner, and then we also have on the main menu our pricing. As you can see, we have two different plans, the silver and the gold plan. On the silver and the gold plan, the differences are based on what you actually need in your business. The activation fee is $47 or $97 plus a monthly fee of $20 or $30 per month. One of the biggest differences you will see is the service fee on purchases. So if you were to purchase something for 1,000 Barter Bucks, if you are on the silver plan, you are going to pay 1,000 Barter Bucks plus $120 out of pocket. If you are on the gold plan, you're going to pay 1,000 Barter Bucks plus $80 out of pocket. This is how we save entrepreneurs money. And as you can see, if you are on the gold plan, you're paying less out of pocket. We also give you Barter Bucks. On the silver plan, you get 250 Barter Bucks, or on the gold plan, you will get 500 Barter Bucks. These Barter Bucks expire within 45 days. On each membership, no matter which membership you choose, you have access to the Wellness Mirror. We have our strategic wellness consultant who is a licensed therapist who hosts sessions for our members once per month. You also have access to our grant list that includes grants, pitch competitions, accelerators, and also speaking engagements that you can apply for. We also have a member-only Facebook group. So if you want to connect more with the members, you can do that during our Facebook group. In the gold plan, you have the option for member spotlighting, where we spotlight you on our social media. You also have the option to be a guest on the Barter Black podcast, and then you also are able to promote your events on our event calendar. The events is our last tab on the front page, and this is where your events will be hosted if you are on the gold plan. Again, this is the front part of the Barter Black platform. View more of our tutorials for more.